Hey, right now, 3 white men convicted of killing this black man on your screen, Ahmaud Arbery in South Georgia, were charged with hate crimes and convicted for it, but they're trying to get that overturned right now.
Atlanta News First reporter Rebecca Schramm is live in downtown Atlanta outside the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. And Rebecca, this case drew a lot of spectators today.
It did, Rick and Lana. Good afternoon to you. There were quite a few supporters of the victim's family here, both inside and outside the courthouse. Remember, there were 2 trials in this case, one state and one federal. Under scrutiny today, the federal convictions, which included hate crimes charges. The family of the late Ahmaud Arbery and their supporters gathered outside the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, pleased with the way the panel of judges questioned attorneys for Arbery's convicted killers, father and son Greg and Travis McMichael and William Roddy Bryan. They're trying to get the case overturned on a technicality.
They seen through those 3 white men that murdered my son. They seen all the evidence and they just understand what they done was wrong.
Among the arguments by the defense was that prosecutors at trial failed to prove that the killing, captured on a cell phone video, happened on a public street, as outlined in the indictment.
An absolutely illogical argument, and the judges called it out.
Listening in at the hearing was Jesse Williams, who grew up in Brunswick, the South Georgia town where Arbery was killed. He remembers what happened once when he went for a jog as a 17-year-old.
We had a group of guys come by, whooping and hollering, about 2 carloads. So I ducked into the woods for about 2 hours. I actually hid. There was no cell phone at that time, so I just would have been another statistic.
Attorneys for the defendants also argued that the federal kidnapping charge should be overturned, saying prosecutors failed to prove a personal benefit. Arbery's father says for each appeal the defendants attempt, he'll be there.
As long as I'm alive, me and my family, we're gonna fight. Y'all gonna stay where y'all at.
Yes.
Are serving life in prison without parole. Roddy Bryan is serving 35 years. It could be weeks before the federal appeals court announces a decision. By the way, the defendants also are appealing their state convictions. Live in downtown Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, Atlanta News First.